Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Cardano, ADA, from Kraken to XMO in 2025. Whether you're looking to move your crypto for trading, staking, or just diversifying your portfolio, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process a breeze. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident handling this transfer on your own. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need verified accounts on both Kraken and XMO, some ADA in your Kraken wallet, and the exact wallet address from XMO to send it to. Double-check that your XMO account is secure. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already, as crypto transfers can be risky. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head over to the Wallets or Funding section, usually found in the main dashboard. Select Cardano from your list of assets. Now, click on the Withdraw button next to ADA. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to paste in the XMO wallet address for Cardano. Make sure it's correct. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive, so no typos. Then, specify the amount you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any network fees. Kraken might ask for additional verification, like a security code sent to your email or phone. Step 3. Review and confirm. Double-check the address, amount, and fees before hitting submit. Once you confirm, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. In 2025, with improved network speeds, this should take about 10 to 30 minutes, depending on Cardano's congestion. After that, hop over to your XMO account and check your wallet. You should see the ADA arrive shortly. If it doesn't, don't panic. Just wait a bit and keep an eye on transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Cardano's official one. A few quick tips. Always start with a small test transfer to avoid losing funds. Be aware of any gas fees or exchange-specific charges, and remember that crypto prices can fluctuate during transit. If you're new to this, 2025 brings enhanced security features on both platforms, so take advantage of them. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Cardano from Kraken to XMO in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there and happy trading. See you next time.